Soulja Boy tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soulja Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right.
This is the 12 days of Sexmas. On the first day of Christmas, I got a really good blowjob. On the second day of Christmas, I got tons of condoms. On the third day of Christmas, I got a random dildo. I don't know why. On the fourth day of Christmas, I made out with my girlfriend 4 times. Then got laid, then got laid, then got laid. On the 5th day of Christmas, I banged 5 pussies. On the 6th day of Christmas, I fingered a lot of people. Like 6 or 7 or 8 or 100. On the 7th day of Christmas, I got laid 30 times. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 asses. On the 9th day of Christmas, I got all of your moms. On the 10th day of Christmas, I got a lot of Dutch ovens. On the 11th day of Christmas, I got 11 blow-up dolls. On the 12th day of Christmas, I got even more pussies. 12 more pussies, 11 blow-up dolls, 10 Dutch ovens, 9 your moms, 8 asses, 7 legs, 6 fingering, 5 pussies, French kissing, 4 French kissing, 3 dildos, 2 condoms, 1 blowjob.